tilting landing gears, which are rollable. The landing. Hey guys, welcome back to Jake's Aviation World and Life. Today we are unboxing the Phoenix Thai 777-200ER. I also got this from ARD, the one in Hillingdon. I know there's also another one in Heathrow, so I might go to that sooner or later. So yeah, as you can see here, we have a Thai 777. So as you can see, I really like the box because of its color, but the box is just plainish purple, which I really could think they could improve with the box to add a bit of golden and pink on it. Yeah, let's just jump into the details of this plane. So you can see the Boeing 777-200ER. On the side, the Heart of Aviation and the Phoenix logo. The plane there, 1/400 scale Platinum Series, officially licensed product. Let's just jump in straight to the opening. Let me put the 777 on the box like I normally do. So as you can see, here's the plane right here. So let me put it just right there so you can see it more. Now let's get into the details. So as you can see, like the straight wings that the 777-200s have, and the tilting landing gears, which are rollable. The landing gear doors, the Thai here. And the thing I like about Thai is the purple, golden, and pink. They really mix in pretty well, gives a really nice, elegant color. The registration, HSTJT, also Hotel Sierra Tango Juliet Tango, the stand hole, the Starlines logo, and really closely it says Papoon 1, which is in Thai. In case if you're Thai watching this video, please tell me what Papoon 1 means, since I don't speak it. So the registration on the wing, and sometimes the thing with Asian airlines is they like to put the flag on the stabilizer, which is pretty odd for no reason. Like, why do they put it in that place? I always wonder. So we have the APU, the antenna, the Wi-Fi system, the landing gear doors as I mentioned. Over here is L1, that's L2, then over here is L3, then that's L4, so 4 doors for this whole plane. I'm also planning to build an airport, little sneak peek. I don't know where's my airport setting, so, but this Majesty, she will be on her route from Bangkok to my airport, my fan-made airport. yeah, that's much it now. So time for the facts. So the range is 14,305 kilometers or 7,510 miles. The length of the fuselage is 64 meters. The wingspan 61 meters. Capacity is 314 seats. So then the cruising speed is 905 kilometers per hour, and the top speed, which is 950 kilometers per hour. The thing I really like about the 777 is, especially with the 200 PR. That's pretty much it for this model. Well, this is one of my favorites because of the tie livery, of course. Pretty elegant. But tomorrow I might be doing an airport update video, which you don't know I've set up already here. So let me try to show you it. So it's just turning. So it's just turning right now. So that's a little sneak peek on my airport. So yeah. So yeah, that's basically it now. Just a tiny recap here. 777-200 first time unboxing. Pretty elegant model. Bye, see you next time. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button and ring the bell so you're notified. Bye.